Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's been a while now that I have done one of these videos and I decided to do one today for you guys. So today I want to share with you guys the top apps for the month of April for Android. So let's begin. So the first app is called Oneshade. So Oneshade is an awesome app that allows you to customize your notification area on Android. So OneShade is a free app you go and download, and it allows you, like I said, to customize the layout and the colors of your notification center to make it your own. And so yeah, I'm just a really big fan of it because of the customization that you can do to it, of course, on the notification area. And it just looks really, really awesome as well. And it's way better, of course, than probably the default one that comes already with your phone. So yeah, if you're looking to customize your notification area on Android, then OneShade is the app for you. Next, we have Habitory. So Habitory is a cool app that allows you to, of course, keep track of your habits. So how it works, pretty simple. You get to add a habit, and then from there, you get to choose how long you want that habit, how long you want to keep with that habit up. And so, yeah, it's just a simple app that allows you to keep track of everything right now, from the new habits that you want to have, of course, created. And mostly now that we're stuck inside, of course, it's always a good thing to learn a new habit or learn a new skill while we do nothing inside. You could go out and learn something new. And so Habitory will help you do that by helping you keep track of that habit. Next, we have TypingHero. So TypingHero is a fantastic app that I have been using for a while now. And TypingHero allows you to quickly create copy-paste shortcuts. So what I mean by that is you could create a keyword from it. So pretty much you could do any keyword you want. So it could be hello. And then you get to write what you want the text to show up. So every time you write hello, instead of writing hello on the text, it will be the key shortcut that you wrote on TypingHero. So yeah, it's just a quick way just to quickly write something really quick without having to write the whole thing up. So that's what I like about TypingHero. It's just a really great app if you're looking into hacking your productivity on Android. Next, we have X Icon Changer. So X Icon Changer is a cool app that I have been really enjoying a lot. And what X Icon Changer does is that it allows you to customize your app icon. So depending on the icon you want to change. So if you're on stock Android and you don't want to use a third-party launcher, X Icon Changer will help you customize that icon so you don't have to use a third-party launcher. And so you could customize any icon you want, and you could add it to your home screen and you have a different icon. You can even use icon packs as well. It does support that, so you could quickly change it up if you're using stock Android. Next, we have Appstract. So Appstract is a cool icon pack that I really enjoy using a lot, and it just really makes your setup on your home screen really step up, and just the simplicity, of course, I really enjoy looking at it as well. And it has a ton of icons as well, and it's just one of my favorite icon packs to use whenever I just want to have something simple and something different. And just by the name of it, Appstract, these icons are truly really abstract designed as well. So yeah, they're just really fantastic, and it's just one of the best icon packs in my opinion. That's really different, and yeah, it just takes the icons to the next level. Next, we have Whale Whale WhalePapers. So WhalePapers is a fantastic wallpaper app for your Android smartphone to quick up and step up that customization on your setup on Android. And so there's a ton of great free wallpapers you could choose from. A lot of them, of course, are material design look to it. If you have an OLED supported device, then there's some cool dark wallpapers as well that looks really great on OLED phones as well. And just the artwork is just really simple. Really, it's one of my favorite one of my favorite wallpapers, just because of the unique designs of these wallpapers that you see right here. And yeah, I'm a big fan of the material design look of the wallpapers. So for me, these wallpapers are just really fantastic. Next and not least, we have Refined. So Refined helps you refine. So what this app does is it will show you 10 interesting news articles depending on what you like, of course. And it will find 10 news articles that it thinks it will be interesting to you, and you could go and read them, of course. And so yeah, it's just a great app to have if you want to learn something new, and just be reading something else other than the news that we're hearing every single day about that. So yeah, it's just a great way just to learn something else, something different, something other than what we're seeing, of course, in the news right now. Just to step out and learn something interesting. So yeah, those are the top Android apps for this month of April. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I will have the apps listed that I just talked about in the description below, so you guys go check them out. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel because that does help. And I will see you guys later. Peace.